Which one should I use? I'm not sure. Just got to the store, got some water, and got the mountain bike. Decided on that just because if there is some tough terrain, I want to make it easy to travel through. I'm assuming that the trail begins here, or the road to go to the trail begins here. I think this is the way to go. It says bike traffic. Cool. Let's go. That was close. Doing it with one hand. Passed a few closed trails. Looks like this is a waterway access through here. This is a Trinity River. It's like an emerald green almost. Looks like people come here also for a spiritual release. So far, it's been awesome. It's not as hot because there's cloud coverage. And as you can see, I'm at the 1 mile marker here. Now I did see off-road mountain biking trail, but helmets are required and I didn't know that, so I didn't bring my helmet. I use the AllTrails app. I don't know if you're all familiar with it, but it's pretty cool because it gives you all the areas where there is camping, hiking, and all that. And from what I read, this park has an elevation of 85 feet. Not very much, but cool how it gives you all the stats. When I initially moved to Dallas, I didn't go anywhere just because I was studying and I was working a lot, and I just didn't think there would be a lot of nature stuff out here since it's really flat. But once you start looking around, there are cool nature areas. They might not be like the Northwest, but still, you know, it's something better than nothing. I mean, some people just have desert, and here we've been fortunate enough to have a lot of rain the past couple years, and it's been very lush and green, just really nice. So dope. Yeah, love it. Okay, so we're gonna head further up the trail and see what's out there. Let's go. Now I'm on the dirt bike road, and that's what it looks like. Not sure where it leads, and that's what exploring is all about. Check it out. It does get a little humid here in between the trees and everything like that, but it's bearable. I've got water underneath the bike, my water holder, so I'm good. So hope y'all are enjoying this awesome nature trip. Not a lot of noise, just nature sounds, you know, especially during these times. It's nice to get away from all the news and bad news that's everywhere, and just nice to listen to nature, get back to our original roots. I made it to the North Loop and gonna go this way and go back. Hope y'all enjoyed the short bike ride and nature. And by the way, look what I found biting me. A mosquito. See my blood. A lot of stuff I'm not gonna post because just, you know, the same thing over repetitious stuff, so I just wanted to keep it fresh and enjoy the nature. Alright, I made it to the end. Until next time, roam with G.